your module 4, which is on your volume or your cylinders. Okay? Cylinders. On module 3, we talk about your we talk about your solid. Okay? Nag-start na tayo in your computation for your solids volume. Okay? By the way, dito, let's say student view, ito yung nakikita nyo. Okay? You can go to files, then andito yung module 3 recorded lecture. Okay? Then I will be posting the module 4 lecture, ayan, after nung recording dito. Okay? So, let's start. Ba't yan? No. Saan na yung file? Okay. Okay, cylindrical. Let's view. Connect ko lang saglit tong whiteboard natin, then start tayo. Okay. Kasi mabilis lang tong topic natin. Naka-connect ba? Hindi. Nag-ayaw yung pan ko. Ayan. Okay. So, let's start with your cylindrical surface. So, what is your cylindrical surface? Okay. Ito yung definition niya. A cylindrical surface generated by a moving straight line generator which is always parallel to a fixed line. Okay, and which always intersects a fixed plane curve. Okay, ibig sabihin lang nito, yan yung lateral surface of a cylinder natin. Okay. For example, we have here your ano dito? Tissue. Okay? Let's say itong tissue natin. Okay? It is in the shape of a cylinder. Yung nandito sa outer edge natin is what we call your cylindrical surface. Okay? Or your lateral surface area. Okay? Next, what are the properties of a cylindrical surface? Okay? An element of a cylindrical surface is the generator in any particular position. Okay? If the directrix of a cylindrical surface is a closed curve, the surface is closed. Okay? Isipin natin flat sheet. Okay? Kapag flat sheet, clinose natin siya, dinikit natin yung isang edge. On the other edge, we can form a cylinder. A cylindrical surface. Okay? So, hindi na natin i-define ng maigi to. So, let's proceed with A. Or your first is your cylinder. What is a cylinder? A solid bounded by closed cylindrical surface. So, yun yung sinabi natin kanina kapag clinose mo yung or pinagdugtong natin yung isang tin or isang sheet, you will form a cylinder. Okay? cylindrical surface, and two parallel planes. Ano yung parallel planes niya? You have your bases, yung nasa baba ng cylinder and yung nasa taas ng cylinder. Okay? Okay, for example, yan. We have a cylinder. Okay? Dito yung two bases natin. Base 1 and base 2. This is always equal. Okay? Most likely equal yan. Okay? Then, yung tin sheet natin, let's say meron kang hati dyan. Okay? Kapag in-unfold natin, it is a rectangle. Okay? So, yan lang siya. Cylinder. Okay? Properties. Okay? The bounding cylindrical surface of a cylinder is called the lateral surface or your cylindrical surface. Okay? And the two bounding parallel planes, yung sabi ko kanina, it was your bases, yung nasa taas and nasa baba. Okay? The bases of a cylinder are equal. Okay? The altitude of a cylinder is the perpendicular distance between the bases. Okay? Perpendicular, which means ito, from dito up until there, you form a 90 degrees. Okay? Perpendicular. 90 degrees. Okay? Every section of a cylinder parallel to the base has an area equal to that of the base. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin nun, kapag hinati natin, erase na lang natin. Okay? So, we have a cylinder with your base. Okay? Ano yung area ng base? Pi r squared. Okay? We have a radius here, r. Okay? Then, kapag hinati daw natin or nag-form tayo ng section, let's say, nag-pass through tayo ng isang plane dito. Okay? Okay. Yung section natin dun sa gitna is, ito na siya, di ba? Yan na siya. Okay, yung nasa baba is ito. Then, you have sa taas is ganyan. Okay? Ang sinasabi niya, yung area mo dito is equal to the area of your base or yung pinakataas or your top or bottom. Bakit? Kasi same yung radius niya dun sa loob. Okay. Okay. Next. The section of a cylinder which contains an element of the cylinder and the point of the cylindrical surface not in this element is a parallelogram. Okay. This section contains the element of the cylinder. Okay? The elements of a cylinder are equal. A right section of a cylinder is a section perpendicular to all the elements of the cylinder. Okay? Ano nga ba yung mga elements na tinutukoy dito? You have your base, you have your radius, surface area, diameter, height, circumference. Yun yung mga elements of a cylinder. Okay? If the bases of a prism are inscribed in the base, of a cylinder, and the lateral edges of the prism are elements of the cylinder, the prism is said to be inscribed in the cylinder. Ano ibig sabihin niya? Let's say meron kang cylinder ulit. Okay? Then we have a prism or a square or a cube. Okay? Then we have your lateral. Okay? Say, pag ganyan yung square. Okay, pag ganyan. Okay. Ibig sabihin, yung lateral edge natin is inscribed or equal to your diameter of the circle. Okay? Yung hypotenuse nito. Ayan. Okay? Then, yung edge natin is inscribed or nasa loob ng circle. Okay? In top view, ganyan siya. Okay? Your side A, side B is hindi siya lumalampas dun sa cylinder natin. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, inscribed or nasa loob ng cylinder. Okay? Kapag circumscribed, ibig sabihin yung circle is inside the figure. Okay? Inscribed, ibig sabihin kung ano yung tinutukoy niyang object, yun yung nasa loob. Okay? In this case, the prism is inscribed or siya yung nasa loob ng cylinder. Okay? If the bases of a prism are circumscribed about the bases of a cylinder and the lateral edges are parallel to the elements of the cylinder, okay, the prism is said to be circumscribed. Okay, so yun lang. Inulit niya lang yung sinabi ko dito, number 9 and 10. Okay, you have your formula for lateral area, perimeter of right section. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ano yung perimeter natin? You have your circumference. Okay? Multiplied by your height. Okay? Circumference times height. Okay? Then, for volume, katulad din dun sa solids, okay, cube, you have your volume is equals to area multiplied by your height. Okay? So, dun sa una, kapag area lang is 2-dimensional, dito is 3-dimensional. We are including your height. Okay? Problem number 1. During a rain, 1/4 inch of water fell. Find how many gallons of water fell on a level 10-acre park. So, ibig sabihin kapag level, flat surface. Okay? Flat surface of a 10-acre park. We have an area of 10-acre park. Okay, so let's solve. 10-acre area. Okay, di ba ang volume is equals to area multiplied by your height. Okay, we are given your area which is 10 acre or anong nakalagay dito? 1 acre is 2 Ilan? 43,560 square feet. Okay? You now have your area to be 435,600 square feet. Okay? How about your height? Okay? 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. Okay. Since this is in feet, we convert inch into feet. Okay? 12 inches is to 1 feet. Okay? 1/4 multiplied by 1 all over 12 is ilan? One all over 48. Okay? Feet. Then solve for volume. Multiplication, we have 435,600 square feet multiplied by your height, 1 all over 48 feet. Okay? We now have a volume of 9,075 cubic feet. Okay? Ano yung tinatanong? How many gallons of water? Okay? Yung ganon ka taas. Okay? Using the volume computed, we can now solve for your gallons. Okay? 1 cubic feet is to 7.48. So, 7.48 divided by 1 cubic feet. Okay? Multiplication. So, we now have your answer to be 67,881 gallons. Okay? Next, you have your average depth of a lake is estimated to be 40 feet. Okay? If the surface area is 15 acres, find the volume of water in the lake. Okay? So what are the givens? We have your depth or your height is equals to 40 feet. Okay? Your area is 15 acres. Okay? Since hindi sila same ng unit, feet in acres, convert 1 into the other. Okay? So, ano yung nakalagay kanina? We have 1 acre is to 43,560 square feet. Okay? Volume is equals to your area multiplied by height. Okay? 43,000 times 15 is 653,400 square feet. Okay, multiplied by your height of 40 feet. Okay, volume is now ilan? 26,136,000 cubic feet. Okay, so naintindihan ba tayo? Nasusundan ba? Anyone? Sundan tayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ganun lang. Volume lang is area times height. Okay. Next, the outer protective smokestack of a steamship is streamlined so that it has a uniform oval section. Okay. Parallel to the deck. The area of this oval section is 48 square feet. If the length of the stack is 15 feet and the stack is raked up so that its axis at its upper end is horizontally 4.2 feet from the lower end, find the volume enclosed by the stack. So, ibig sabihin niya kapag rake, naka-inclined yung cylinder natin. Okay? So, sa figure, we have your cylinder. Okay? Then, we have your height. Okay, perpendicular Hindi ito yung height. Hindi yan. Okay, you have your height is perpendicular. Okay. Then, distance nito. Distance niyan is said to be 4.2 feet. 4.2 feet. Okay? Ano pa yung given? The area of this oval section. Okay? Area. Given na tayo ng area which is 48 square feet. Okay? So, we are just missing your height to solve for your volume. Since our volume is equal to area times height. Ano pang given? Meron pa bang given? Okay? The length, sabi niya. If the length of the stack is 15 feet. So, ang length natin is ito. So, x equals to 15 feet. Okay? Let's consider this triangle right here. Okay? Itong triangle na to. Okay? Let's rewrite. This is your edge, which is 15 feet. This is your height, and this is 4.2. You are given the three sides. Okay? How do we compute? Using your Pythagorean theorem. Okay? A squared, or your side squared, plus your side squared, other side, is equal to your hypotenuse squared. Okay? So, transpose, we have h is equals to 15 squared minus 4.2 squared. Okay? Square both sides, we are now we now have your H value. Okay? Ilan yung H value? You have 14.4 feet. Okay? Balik
Pwede
tayo.
pong board.
Sorry, hindi nakikita yung board. Okay? We now have your volume. Ano yung volume natin? 48 feet multiplied by your height. Okay? 14.4 feet. Okay? This is in feet squared. This is in feet. Okay? We now have your volume to be 691.2 cubic feet. Okay? Cylinder. Next. Balik. Circular cylinder. Okay? Kung yung kanina is general, ito is circular cylinder. Okay? General means ganito yung shape niya. Okay? Hindi siya perfect circle. Ito, circle mismo yung base natin. Okay? Circular right section. Okay? Kapag isi-section mo, circle din siya. Your base is also circle. Okay? Lateral area is same din. Perimeter multiplied by your height or your edge. Okay? Length of your edge. Volume is equals to base times height or area times height. Since this is a circle, we have pi r squared multiplied by your height. Okay? Same din dito. Pi r squared multiplied by your lateral edge. What is your lateral edge? It is the height. Okay, so same lang to. Okay. Problem number 1. A pine log 40 feet long has a uniform circular cross-section of radius 11 inch. Okay. The ends lie in parallel planes which are not perpendicular. Okay, saan na tayo? The ends lie in parallel planes which are not perpendicular to the axis of the log. How much paint will be required to give the log ends not included 2 coats, dalawang beses? So, if 1 gallon of paint covers 800 square feet of surface, if pine weighs 31 pounds per cubic feet, find the weight of the log. So, dalawa yung tinatanong niya dito. Una is how much paint. Okay? Ilang paint ba yung gagamitin natin? Okay? Then, second is the weight of the log. Okay? Let's solve. What is your surface area? Okay? surface area. Or lateral area, 2 pi your radius multiplied by your edge. Okay? So we are given your edge to be 40 feet. Your radius is 11 inch. Okay? Since hindi sila same, convert the other to feet. Let's say 12 inches is to 1 feet. Okay? Or 11 over 12. Okay? Then use your formula. 2 pi r multiplied by your edge. Okay? Lateral area or surface area. Okay? So 2 pi multiplied by 11 over 12 feet multiplied by 40 feet is ilan? Okay, you have 230.83 feet squared. So, ito na ba gagamitin natin in order to solve how many or how much? So, hindi pa. Ang nakalagay dito, 2 quotes. So, times 2 dun sa answer natin. Times 2. Okay. We have 460.76. 77. 66 pala. Sorry. $66 feet squared. Okay, from there, how can we solve for your gallons? Okay, so divided by 800 square feet. 1 gallon is to 800 square feet. Okay, in order to cancel out your feet squared, you are left with gallon. Okay, this is 461. Okay. Ilan yung sagot? 461.66 divided by 800. We have 0.57 gallon. 0.577 gallons. Okay? Or 0.50. Okay. So, from there, ano pa yung isang tinatanong? Weight of log. Okay? Kapag weight of log, we use your area multiplied by your height. A pi r squared multiplied by 11 over 12 squared times height is 40 feet. Okay. Answer is 105.59. Okay, 2 decimal places. Cubic feet. Okay, final answer? So, hindi pa. Weight yung tinatanong. Ang na-compute lang natin is volume. Okay? In order to... So, imo-multiply natin 31 pounds per cubic feet. 31 pounds per cubic feet. Okay, cancel out. Answer is 3273.29. Okay, pounds. Okay. Okay. So, dito, yung sa module nyo, hindi ko in-include yung solution. Okay? Para pag-practicean nyo. Practice solving. Okay? Next problem. A circular concrete conduit whose inside diameter is 10 feet is 1 feet thick. Okay? It rises 16 feet per 1,000 horizontal feet. Okay, the vertical plane which contains the axis is perpendicular to the two vertical planes which contain the ends of the conduit. If ends are 300 feet apart, find the amount of concrete used in the construction of the conduit. Okay? So, paano yan? You have thickness and diameter. Inside diameter is 10 feet. Okay? Outside diameter. So, plus 1 feet. Okay? 1 feet lang ba? Or plus 2 feet? Okay? Since this is a diameter. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Okay? Inside diameter, ito, 10 feet. Then, thickness, meron ka sa baba, 1 feet. Okay? Then, sa taas is also 1 feet. Okay? Kaya plus 2 feet in order to get the diameter. Okay? Next. We solve for your edge. Okay? So, pag ganito yung figure niya. So, nakahiga daw. Then, 3,000 feet apart. Okay? Then, ano pa? it rises 16 feet apart. Okay, per 1,000, sabi niya dito. Okay, so since 300 feet, ibig sabihin tumaas siya na, 3,000 feet to, ibig sabihin tumaas siya ng 3 times. So 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, ano yung tinatanong? Diameter. Tama ba? Find the amount of concrete used. So, volume netong conduit. Okay? So, ito. Volume niyan. Okay? So, inside diameter minus outside diameter. Okay? Okay. Since our height is perpendicular, which means this is our height. Okay. Height. So, in order to solve that, we use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So 48, 3,000, and h. H is square root of your 48 squared plus 3,000 squared. Okay, height is 3,000.38 feet. Okay? Area outside minus area inside. Okay? 2 pi r outside minus 2 pi r inside, or 2 pi, the difference of your outside, RO minus R1, or inside, 2 pi 12 minus 10 is equals to 4 pi. Okay? Okay? So, meron na tayong area. And meron na din tayong height. Okay? Multiply those two in order to solve for the volume. Okay? Our volume now is 37,703.89 cubic feet. Okay, so, may question ba doon? Any question? Okay. So, next is your right circular cylinder. A definition: a circular cylinder is a cylinder whose elements are perpendicular to its base. So, ibig sabihin, kapag right circular cylinder, nakatayo lang siya. Okay? Properties. The axis of a right circular cylinder is the line joining the centers of the bases. A right circular cylinder may be generated by the revolution of a rectangle about one side as an axis. Okay? Same din siya ng formulas. You have pi RH. Then, you have your volume to be your area of the base multiplied by your height. Okay? Then, same din. The diameter of a well is 6 feet and the water is 7 feet deep. How many gallons of water are there in the well? Reckoning 7.48 gallons to the cubic feet. Okay? You have area, volume, di ba? Volume is equals to area times your height. Okay? Your area for a circle is pi r squared or pi over 4 the diameter squared. Okay? Multiplied by your height. Pi over 4 multiplied by your diameter, which is 6 feet, squared multiplied by your height is 7 feet. Okay? You now have a volume for the water. Okay? It is 197.92 cubic feet. Okay? Since the question is in gallons, how many gallons? Convert cubic feet to gallons. Okay? Nakalagay dito yung conversion. Okay? Multiplied by 1 cubic feet is to 7.48 gallons. Okay? So, the answer is 1480.44 cubic feet. So, any question? No question? That is your topic for today. Then, next meeting is a quiz. Okay? Madali lang yung quiz ninyo. It is on the area, perimeter, and volume. Okay? Module 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, any question?
Answer.
And panay problem solving lang kasi itong solids. Okay. Kung wala na, you may go.
Thank you, sir.